How to see blocked accounts on TikTok. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the reels that are shared on TikTok. From this page, you need to tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Then once you're in this page, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Now select the option Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, go to Privacy. Once you're in this page, you need to scroll down and tap on Blocked Accounts. And here, you can see all the people that you've blocked so far. You can also unblock them from here anytime that you want. So, by following these steps, you can see blocked accounts on TikTok. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.